it's your girl Carrie, and today I want to share my outfit of the day and also share with you a little hack on how I created this quote-unquote pull-apart outfit. So let's get started. So basically I purchased a maxi dress from Ross. I really loved the print on this dress. I love the fact that it was long. I love that it had nice blousey sleeves. But the dress did not fit me. What was wrong with the dress? The sleeves were too short. The maxi dress, it didn't drop in the waist where I needed it to drop. So it was, the length was too short. I needed it to be a little bit longer. And the wrap portion of the dress, it was kind of like a wrap dress. My bust did not fit in the dress, but I really love the dress. So I thought to myself, how can I make this dress work for me? Because right now, everything about this dress does not work. So what I did was I cut it apart and created a whole new outfit out of the dress. And so what I did was I had my mom cut the sleeves off the dress, and I did something similar last year. Hold on. And I did something similar last year. I showed you a hack that I did with a jean shirt where I wanted to do layers, but I'm too puffy, and I share with you how to faux layer if you are a plus sized person. And basically what I did, I had my mom, cut off the bottom portions of the sleeve of a jean shirt and put elastic in them. And then you can kind of tuck them under a sweater, a shirt, to make it look like you actually have, a jean shirt layered underneath. And in addition, she cut off the, the collar, the shirt, so you can add a fake dicky if you wanted to. And then she also cut off the bottom portion. And then she also cut off the bottom portion of the shirt, so if you wanted the bottom part of the jean shirt to hang out underneath your sweater or whatever you're layering it with, and it looks like you have a layered look, but you reduce all the bulk in the middle of your body. Well, I like that concept so much. That's what I did with this dress. So basically, I had my mom cut the sleeves off the dress, and as you can see, it's just a sleeve. And I can actually now create a bunch of outfits with this sleeve. All I have to do is just tuck it underneath. All I have to do is just kind of like tuck it underneath a shirt. And I have this beautiful shirt that coordinated with the colors in this dress. A nice burnt orange, so that was nice. I got this scallop shirt. I also got the shirt from Ross as well. And so all I have to do is just stick my arm in, and with the elastic there, all I have to do is just tuck that underneath the sleeve, and I have myself a nifty little, and now I have myself a nifty little shirt. And then what I did here to have this kind of like necktie situation going on, I took the belt off the dress and I just wrapped it around my neck. And I ended up with a cute little, necktie accessory. And then if you look at the bottom half, I just cut the bottom half of the maxi dress off, and we eliminated the body part. And I just put my shirt on, and underneath here I just have the elastic band in the skirt. So now I have a skirt portion, and so with the skirt I just pull it up the elastic is there, and then I can just pull it up to the belt to give it a little bit more staying power. And so now I have a really nice long maxi skirt instead of a dress. And now I paired this beautiful outfit with this cornflower blue bag. It's kind of like a dupe. It looks very similar to the Gucci Dionysus bag, but it is a fraction of the cost. It's real Italian leather, and it's very well made. I love this bag, and it has a faux crocodile it has a faux embossed crocodile pattern on it. I really love this color. It goes so well with the colors in my, it goes so well with the colors in my outfit. Love this bag. Love this bag. And then for my shoes, I opted to wear these beautiful light tan knee-high boots with a wooden heel, and it has kind of like a almond toe shape here. Love these. I got these on clearance a couple of years ago. It's butter soft leather. Love the color. It has like a little zipper detail there in the side, on the side, and I just love this wooden heel. And this also pops with the different colors that's in my dress, so it all looks really good together. So I'm going to share with you the overall look. And what I also like about this option is that I can take the belt, add it to a purse, make it kind of like a twilly. I can also use this belt as a belt on another item. I can take these sleeves off and use them on any other shirt or blouse that I make. And I can use it on any other shirt or blouse that I have in my closet, and I can just mix and match the skirt. So I love breaking up and having a pull-apart shirt or a pull-apart dress to mix and match and maximize my closet, and also being able to create something that didn't fit me properly to something that now fits me beautifully. I can now, since the skirt is no longer attached to a dress, I can adjust the height of the skirt. And then also, since the sleeves are not attached to the dress, I can adjust the length of the sleeves and make it the perfect length to fit me. So guys, when you're looking at clothing, when you're out and about, kind of think outside of the box. If it's something that you really like, how can you make it fit you? Maybe you can take it to a tailor and get it tailored, tucked in, a hem let out, or maybe you can use the pull apart method if you know if you have basic sewing skills or someone that knows how to sew. And I just wanted to give you a couple of ideas when you're trying to style your outfits. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.